So we're working on the sway bar bushings. You can see they're all jacked up. And this one has gone ahead and flopped over. So we can't even get to the nut. But that'll work. So this is a 17 millimeter. I already did the other side, so we should be able to drop this all the way through. Supposedly. Let me check the other side. Needed a little bit more left turn on the wheels. Hey! Look what he did. Put that where it belongs. It doesn't go on the ground underneath your mat. Not on the ground underneath your mat.
Do you need something? Like, what do you need for that?
So on the workbench, there are rubber things and 2 sets of washers.
Okay, I'm gonna grab both sets.
Don't mix them up.
Don't mix them up.
So we're taking this old shit off of here.
Okay, so these are the non-mixed up.
2 different size holes. This one goes on the bottom. I need a rubber.
Okay, here's 2 rubbers, different styles.
I want this one with this protrusion goes on the bottom like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to the other side real fast, and then we'll do the tops. So this one on the bottom. And then we, hey, line that thing up with the hole. You ready?
Yep. Stand by. We're in.
Okay. This thing's all fucking cattywampus.
Yeah.
Dodge.
It's all cattywampus.
And then we put this one on. And then we put this on. And then we put this one on. And then we put this on. So new sway bar bushings installed. These will self-adjust a little bit once we get it under load. Bouncing around a little bit. So we're changing shocks on the 96 Dodge 3500. What do they call this front end? Cabin chassis?
Yeah, it's cabin.
So we did the driver's side already. Wasn't too difficult, so I'll show you how to do the passenger side. We already removed the airbox to get access to this shock tower. Easy peasy.
All right.
Mac and cheesy.
You want me to compress it? Oh no, we still have to take the top part off.
Why don't you bust the bottom loose?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I can get it all out of one shot.
All right.
We'll see. This fucking fender liner's in the goddamn way. This fucking thing's in the way. Leave it to Dodge to make it difficult.
Can't help themselves.
I can get that with a shorty, a 3/8, and a wobbler. Baby, hold on. Let me try it. Like this.
That was interesting. Yeah, it came out.
I'm nipping pretty fast. Don't want to drop it. Got it. Okay. Okay.
Where's the other nuts?
Up here. Get down and get ready. Pull your lower bolt, right?
Yep.
Okay.
That's gonna come out.
Hold on. You ready?
Not yet. Okay, let's go. Wiggle it some more.
I gotta push it down. Ready?
Yep. Got it.
Okay. Okay, so before we put anything back in, we're going to clean some stuff up. So, we'll be back when we move it. Take a break. So I think this is where we left off. We got the shock out and then painted up the components with 415. We degreased it first, but that metal's pretty rough because it's so old. It's a rust inhibitor. Makes it look a little bit better. I wasn't one for painting the caliper, but he wanted it that way. So we'll get the shock installed shortly. This is the difficult one, because the brake shit's in the way. No, you're not. I can get it.
Okay. You didn't want me to get anything started?
No, I can get it from up here, I think. We'll see. First you gotta finagle this piece in. Oh, you're holding the shock? Good job, buddy. Look at you being helpful. What are you doing?
I'm just getting it over the, trying to get it over the thing.
You're going the wrong way. Got mine lined up.
All right. These are all lined up now.
Okay.
They're
Well,
on the mark.
let go of his shock.
Letting go.
Okay. You can get one started from the outside?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You can get 2 started from the outside.
Okay.
Okay, he's on.
That's pretty straight. I think. There we go. It has a little tab on the nut, so once you get it started, you don't have to hold the other side. See, can you put the tire on? Oh yeah, I should show them the lug nuts. So those are pretty easy to replace yourself. The top ones up here, they have the little holders, so it'll, once you pull it off and put it back on, you don't have to hold the nut when you're tightening them up. Inside there is a cone filter. That was leaking before. It's not leaking right now. we didn't video how to, but this vacuum pump was leaking. It was missing a gasket, so we had to, the gasket was still in the package, so we found the gasket and put it on, and that fixed that problem. Still not leaking. It's 2 bolts. There's one here, there's one there, there's a little vibrator bolt right here. Take that one off, then you can pull it out, put it back in. Fuck. If there was ever a Dodge Cummins that didn't leak, I haven't seen it yet. If it's leaking oil, it's got oil. That's the rule on a Dodge Cummins.